Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I've missed you so much. It's Chi Makeover, that Igbo girl that keeps winning every day, and I'm back with another tutorial. This tutorial is on a real life traditional wedding decoration. So guys, just relax and enjoy this tutorial, and any step you don't see here, you can check our previous video. You're going to see all the steps complete. So at this point, we are putting flowers on the bridal tent, which is the bridal canopy. We just filled it up with flowers, and we covered it with the white void cloth. That cloth you see on the top is called the white void, so you can use any color of your choice. It's very affordable. So I decided to do a mixture of red and yellow flowers with pink and what I call that color, purple, okay, lilac. So, and you can see how it's coming out. At this point, we are raising the bridal tent up, so you can just make something like this. It's just meet your welder, they would construct your bridal stage, and it's something that can be dismantled and arranged back. It's very easy to use. Like if you don't have so much workers with you, you have 1 or 2 persons, you can set up this bridal stage. So this particular pattern is easier and it's better than digging up the ground and putting your woods and setting it up in a local way. But this way, you just have everything, you just set it up and you're good to go. So this is the stage. So for this stage, is just a carpenter work. You just buy a wood, this some people call it plank, I don't know any other word it's called. So you just call your carpenter, he cuts it up to the sizes you want it to be, and you try to make it portable. You don't just make it long and like stretched out once. So you do it in a way that even when you are packing it into the car, it would be portable. Then these are my backdrop. These backdrops, they are made with ply boards. Yes. So, and this particular one has a leg, but the next one I'll be making, I don't want it to have a leg. Because the leg makes it bulky when you're carrying it. So, but if it doesn't have a leg, you just stand it and you tie them together. You can tie, like I have like about 6 here. You can join those ply boards together and it will be very firm. And then this is our flex banner. So this flex banner, it's just, you just meet your graphic designer. He would print whatever design you want. This is a leaf backdrop design, and I think I really want to work with this. It's very natural and it's giving, it's beautiful, it's lit, and I want to use it for my backdrop. So I'll just tie it to my stage. Yes, I'll just tie it to my stage. This decoration is very easy. Like, it's not complicated, it's very easy. And when you have this flowered leaf backdrop already, it would reduce the amount of flowers you'll be adding to the job already. So you could just use anything you could just tackle it with a tackle board, or you could pin it to the white void cloth. Any which way that would work for you, you try it out. So next I'll be tackling I'll be using my tackle gun to tackle my mat on top of the ply board I told you about. So it's quite a very simple these matte flowers now would be at these other places round. I'll just fill it up at these other backgrounds everywhere. So you need enough matte. I think here we worked with about 20 matte flowers to cover this, or more, either 20 or 30. So you can check your budget, and if you don't have enough materials, you can rent. If you are in places where they rent materials, like I know they rent in Lagos, in Benin, in Warri, you see a lot of places where they rent these materials. They rent even up to this flex banner, they rent everything. So you can get jobs. You don't really need to buy everything to start working, because most people like the decoration job, but the thing that scares them most is the fact that they have to buy all these things, and these things are very, 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 very expensive. Like the matte flower now, it used to be cheap before. We usually buy for 2,500, 3,000, but this exact quality now, you get it nothing less than 5,000 naira, because this is a very fluffy and a bushy matte flower. So at this point, we are spreading our tuff. Some people call it tuff, some people call it green rug. So that is it. We'll be spreading it. And this flower now we are using for it now. Flowers we are topping on top. It is it's called a wisteria flower. So we are just adding it to pop up the design. You can see that mat now I told you about. The mouth is giving. See mat now. See, the quality of materials you use determine how your job will pop. I don't like buying. When it comes to flower, just leave it for me. Leave it, just give it to me. I don't buy cheap flowers. I try to go for the best, because when you buy a good flower, it has more lifespan. You can reuse it as many times as you want to. But when you buy these flowers that are not of high quality, they don't last, and they don't give you the beauty that you really want a flower to give you. So that is it. So for my floor, I like using flex for the floor. It makes my work bright, like my decoration, it makes it bright. Some people use tuff, which is that same green grass, but I noticed that when I use a white flex for the floor, the decoration looks brighter, like it looks better. So guys, you can see it's up to it's more close to a year I stopped making videos. Please encourage me with likes, encourage me with shares, share this video, share it, as in like my video, comment, engage on the page. It's not easy. The more you engage, it would make me, as it will encourage me to be putting out better content for you, latest designs of decoration. So guys, show me love. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This Chimakeover, just press the subscribe button now before you forget, and you would not just the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you don't miss any videos, any of my decoration videos, and just in short, just surprise me, and I'll be giving you back-to-back content every week. So guys, thank you, I love you guys, catch you in my next video.